Climate change is one of the defining challenges of this century, driving social, economic, and environmental disruptions worldwide. It demands rapid action to reduce emissions and build resilient systems, from local communities to global industries. Reshaping the future of our planet requires engineers who can turn big ideas into real-world solutions. At Penn Engineering, we are building that workforce. We are excited to introduce our new Master of Science in Engineering degree program in Energy and Sustainability Engineering. This is a specialized program designed for technical minds ready to jump into solving the climate crisis from day one. Our curriculum goes beyond the classroom, emphasizing experiential learning, interdisciplinary team-based projects, and real-world problem solving. You will build a portfolio to demonstrate to employers that you have the experience they demand in today's rapidly evolving job market. With guidance from world-leading Penn faculty and access to facilities and resources across the university, you'll have the flexibility to hone your interests and deepen your specialization. We'll help you design your unique academic path through 4 concentrations: clean energy technology, environment and climate solutions, society and policy, and economics and innovation. You'll leverage Penn's deep ties to industry and global alumni for mentorship, internships, and a pathway to an impact-driven career. Start your journey at the cutting edge of energy and sustainability engineering.